Next is reconstruction phase, means we have to build something. This is highly complicated phase. This phase begins in transitional phase, means reconstruction phase and transitional phase are working hand in hand. Only now we are towards the reconstructions of buildings and facilities like road and water supplies are restart. Means in transitional phase they were quick action, means temporary management was done and immediately reconstruction means we are making it as a permanent solution. This is what they want to say, means transitional and reconstruction phase works hand in hand. Then farming practice are restored so that they can earn the money. If the area was nearby was farming, then farming practice are restarted, and it takes a long time for reconstruction, because here we have to reconstruct lots many things, which is very slow process as it required more time. So this is very long process. The planet Earth has experienced many natural disasters, and listening to the description of this disaster bring numbness to the mind. And the most of the disaster and related unpredicted situation have been occurred in the Asia continent and the region of Pacific Ocean. The huge loss of life and the planet Earth has been occurred due to such disaster. Generally, such condition of natural imbalance have been arisen due to greed of economic process of human being. Means many disaster are due to us, our greediness to live a comfortable life. We are using the natural resources in much high level, and this due to that we have to face such disasters. In reality, old problems of several years has become fairies. Example, increasing population, it increased the need of emerging problems out of it are now at the extreme end. Such disaster has been increased after the World War II, and the condition of instability arises in the country, and due to various reasons like economic inequality, racial and religion difference, etc., the incidents like terrorism, abductions, social difference has been a routine now. Means these are man-made disaster. These disasters are there due to increase in population, and due to which many problems has arises, including the problem of insecurity, and due to which it given the more rise after World War II, and due to which we have to face economically inequality, गरीब और अमीर के झगड़े, caste wise, caste and religion, racial and religious difference are been there, and these all circumstances has given the birth to the new disasters like terrorism, abductions, social difference, and this is how we have created new disasters. These are a man-made international disaster. Then another such threat to human being is about atomic energy plant, because the radiation if leaked can cause the last big blast, and this will definitely affect the huge property and life loss. The example is the such type of atomic energy blast was occurred at Chernobyl, Russia, and its ill effects are still experienced in this region. This atomic energy plant was only used for electricity generation. Nowadays, many countries are equipped with atomic energy, and out of this, the risk of radiation leakage is increasing due to carelessness, and hence importance of disaster management has become the foremost need of almost all the nation. In fact, it is most necessary for citizen of our countries because they are main sufferer in any type of disaster. Hence, direct participation of citizen in disaster management is highly necessary. So, we should take part in the disaster management system, and it should not be restricted for a particular period. Overall, there are many to be any type of disaster, and it should be overcome. Concept of disaster management has been arisen out of this only. So what they want to say, as we have like atomic energy plant is the example of how we are utilizing the natural resources, and due to our carelessness how this is affecting our life, and this effect will be long lasting, and such many disasters are there. Definitely it is been created to us, and they are also affecting us also, including the environment. So we should also take a part in various disaster management scheme, because it is for us only. We are the reason and we are the sufferer, and we can save the, or we can overcome the situation through proper disaster management system. So we should be also the part of disaster management. Now, what is disaster management? Here the objectives of disaster management is been omitted for you, or then also we should go through this objective, means what the disaster management has to done. First of all, disposal of human life suffered by human being during the calamities, and release of the people, means the people who are died, we have to dump their dead bodies, and also we have to rescue the people who are still facing the problems. Then supply of essential commodity to the people to reduce the effect of disaster, like food, medicine, shelter, clothing, etc. The restore the human life in the region by creating reconciliation in the disaster, means we want to help the, we should help the people. If somebody has lost their parents, or parents has lost their children, or their other house member, or they are suffering, or we should lend our ear so that we can hear them, and try to solve their problem and try to console them, so that they can fastly recover from the effect of disaster. Then rehabilitated disaster victim, we should try the victim so that he could again go through his normal life, that is rehabilitant. Then considering the protective measure in disaster, such disaster will not reach in future, and take care to reduce their start to take care to reduce their intensity, means we should also focus on the thing how this disaster happened and what can be done so that it won't be happen in the future. This is the main objectives of disaster management, and we should also take part in this disaster management system, being a human being, because it is a very planned process.